Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to land a helicopter in Gmod because it's very hard, totally, very much. Don't look over their camera. Yeah, look at me. Yeah, I have a lot of features, definitely. So yeah, this is how to land a helicopter. So specifically, we're gonna learn how to land the Rebel helicopter because who doesn't like the Rebel helicopter? And also, I think it's based off like a Russian helicopter, like the Mi-26, but it looks a little small for something of that size. But yeah, let's get inside of it. So now we need to start our engine. So let's do that. As you can see, the rotor is spinning. Now we need to take off. We've taken off. So, yeah, uh-oh. So that's not how to land a helicopter. Now let me show you how to. We're in another helicopter now. So this is our Rebel helicopter. As you can see, I'm inside of it. Let's take off. So let's say we want to land our helicopter on a building like that one. Let's go to it first. So we're just gonna need to put our helicopter facing down for us to move forward. Now we need to go up. Uh-oh. You need to go up. When you go uh-oh. Oh no. So that's how to crash and not land a helicopter. So let's see how to land a helicopter, which is what this video is for. So we gotta do that. Okay, so now we're above where we want to land our helicopter. That's great. Well, now we need to land it. So what you want to do is just, I don't know, stop your engine. Congratulations! You've landed a helicopter. You can have your license now. You've landed a helicopter. So, yeah. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Oh. Well, we're gonna end off this video by destroying that helicopter. Let's do it.